Before we get started, I want to be clear that gesso is not the only thing you can base coat for color with. You can absolutely use white paint or white chalk paint to base coat for color, but the reason that I like the gesso is because I often have really smooth rocks like Mexican beach pebbles. Regular paint slides around on really smooth rocks like this, but the gesso adds grip. It's able to grip the smooth stone, and it also adds grip for your paint. Now that we have that out of the way, let's go ahead and test these out. So I'm going to start with the Sargent Art Liquid Gesso. And then on the other stone, I'm going to add the Liquitex White Gesso. I've been using the Sargent Art Gesso for quite a while, and admittedly, I purchased it because it was cheaper. It was on sale. I think it was $7.99 or $8 when I first got it. I decided to give the Liquitex brand a try because I see a lot of people really happy with that brand of paint. And after a first coat, it looks like the Liquitex gives a little bit more solid coverage. Let's go ahead and give these guys a fighting chance. So we're going to give a second coat just to see how the coverage holds up. So on the left side, you're going to see the Sargent Art Liquid Gesso, and then on the right side is the Liquitex White Gesso. So again, the Liquitex seems to have the more solid coverage, but let's give it an extra test by trying to add some yellow paint on top, because that's the whole point of this, is to increase the opacity of the base color by adding this base coat. If you've been painting for any amount of time, you know that yellow is one of those colors that you have to put many coats on to get solid coverage. So this is a good color to test this out with. So neither one of these came out completely solid, but there are more visible lines in the Sargent Art Liquid Gesso, and I think I had a wet spot there that maybe everything came off. So let's go ahead and give this a last chance with a second coat of yellow and see how the color holds up. Looking at these visually, the Liquitex did do better coverage, but let's go ahead and compare these two brands on a couple other bullet points. With regard to cost, the Sargent Art is no longer the cheaper option. It's $11.76 for 16 ounces, and the Liquitex is $9.80. So that means the Sargent Art is 74 cents per ounce, and the Liquitex is 61 cents per ounce. The Sargent Art definitely has a thinner consistency, and the Liquitex is thicker, and this might be one of the reasons that the Liquitex provided better coverage. The Sargent Art has a very faint smell, and the Liquitex has a little bit more of a paint smell, but it wasn't anything that was bothersome to me. I think the video is the evidence we need for the coverage. The Sargent Art was good, but it's not as good as the Liquitex. So you guessed it, Liquitex White Gesso was the winner of this battle, and it's my new go-to for base coating my rocks. Hit that like button if this was helpful for you, and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads with other tips and tutorials. See you next time.